Hello, my name is Eliasar Islas again, and I will briefly demonstrate the cleaning method of my fully disassembled 1911. I have no live ammunition on my workspace here. Okay, so according to our lecture and in our readings, when purchasing a new firearm like the 1911 that we received, the firearms are coated with packing grease and/or heavy oils to protect the firearm from rust and corrosion in case it was to be stored for a long time. The lecture and our reading recommends inspecting for premature wear, uneven wear, and deformations during the cleaning process of the barrel, in the lands and the grooves of the barrel. And if I was cleaning it after use, I would soak a patch with solvent and then pass it through the barrel, let it dry using a small amount of lubricating oil, and then clean off the part again. So it leaves like a micro fine layer of oil on the firearm parts. Now this will protect the barrel and leaving it ready for regular use. So I have some Hops 9 black oil. It's high performance precision oil. I'm hoping this will work. Seems like it's pretty good oil. And I also have this F10 CLP, but this was the one that I would probably use on a patch. And then for the parts, I have only a nylon brush at this point. I need to give myself a brass one and a nylon one. And basically this one has a smaller brush for the smaller parts. And so basically recommended oiling the outside surface of the barrel that will make contact with other firearm surfaces. The lecturer stated, and our readings also suggest cleaning and inspecting the frame, the magazine well, the rails, the slide, top of the slide, the breech, trigger, track, the action area, housing for the sear nose, hammer notches, firing pin hole, firing pin channel, disconnector, recess, and the tip, locking surfaces, the muzzle and the crown. So basically all these are here on my table, the crown and the muzzle. We did this polishing earlier, and for the slide and the firing pin area, I think we'll mention the claw here a little bit. I'm leaving these in order where I can put this back together, because this is only the second time that I'm going to put this together, reassemble. But basically all the parts, the hammer, the disconnector, the sear, and so forth. And I'll get to some of those as how much oil and just to be put on those. So in case I was cleaning it for heavy stubborn areas, to use a brass or a nylon toothbrush brush. Our reading suggests to use also cotton swabs or wooden dowels with cotton patches and other fine cleaning tools as needed. Our reading suggests to clean the breech face and under the extractor claw with muzzle down to prevent the solvent and or debris from going into the firing pin channel. Our reading suggests dry brush cleaning the magazines, especially the ones that are used in competition. Those should be actually fully disassembled and deep cleaned. And the follower of the magazine will be tested during the function test. To properly lubricate my 1911, I would, after have cleaned and dried it, I would dampen again a patch with the Hops 9 black oil, high precision oil, and then clean all the metal components to prevent corrosion. Next, I would use a drop of the same oil on the entire length of the frame and the slide rails, one drop on the intersections of the trigger, disconnector, sear, hammer, and all the components that interact with the frame. From what I have read, I will not be using any grease on my 1911. That thought might change as I become more experienced. This is my first experience of disassembling, cleaning, and assembling of firearms, so I don't have any other methods to compare this awesome experience with. I am sure that I will compare this experience to other field and detailed firearm disassemblies in the near future. Thank you.